Hi there, so you are a music student or a music teacher and maybe it's the first time that you are at this webpage. Well, let me explain to you what Classplash's world of music is all about. My name is João Ramalheiro. I'm a music teacher, Microsoft expert educator, entrepreneur and founder at Classplash, and we are dedicated to create sustainable content for music education. Overall, we want to make our contribution to music literacy, so to help you out to read music. Each week I will create video lessons so that you can dive into the world of music. And here you will meet cute characters like rhythmiacs, Mujis, which by the way are the music notes, pirates, dragons and many more. So the goal is to learn the topics related with music education, but also to have a lot of fun. You will find the first video here and in the description below. And if you think that this is something for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to be informed about our new videos, don't forget to hit the bell notification button. So wherever you are on this planet, thank you so much for tuning in. And I hope to see you very soon in a different world full of music.